Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with an unboxing video. I just got this in the mail today. The box is a little wet because it is snowing outside. It has been snowing all day. So what I have for you today is from one of my favorite Etsy shops. It's called Peanut Butter Taco, and she is local to me. And she just developed a Bookworm life planner. So I of course had to have one because I am an avid reader and I love her stickers. Packaged very nice. I can't really speak to shipping time because I live in the same state she does, so yeah. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to move the box out of the way, and there's my invoice. And I will show you what I've got if I don't move my tripod all around here. And this is called the Bookworm Life. And if you hear noises in the background, it's because my little ones just got home and they are having snacks and being loud. Sorry. Okay. Apparently I'm having technical difficulties here. My camera just randomly shut off. So this is the Bookworm Life Planner that Monica at Peanut Butter Taco has developed. Very cute. I will show you a size comparison with my Erin Condren. So as you can see, it is a little shorter. It is the same width, just a little shorter. The coil is plastic, which is cool because this isn't going anywhere. It's not going to take a beating. The cover is laminated. I love the colors. She's known for her rainbow color schemes anyway, so this is just adorable. You open it up, and then it says the Bookworm Life. This book belongs to, and it has her website address, and you can put your name on here. Very cute. Oh, the bookshelves. That is so cute. That is so much fun. I cannot wait to use this for 2019. Then we have some dot grid pages. We have a page of most anticipated book releases. Goal setting, make time for what makes you happy. Your book wish list, which I could probably fill up a whole book with just that. And then you go right into the months, and it starts in January, and it says, bookworms will rule the world as soon as we finish one more chapter. Adorable. So then you have a monthly view. This is undated. So you have your monthly view, and then you have a little column over here for maybe, I have a Kindle Unlimited subscription as well as Audible. Some people get book boxes, things like that. You can track things like that. That would be cool. And then it has this cute book stack, and I love this paper. The colors are so vibrant, and it has this sheen to it, and it's really cool. I like that. So then we move into, and I just want to make sure I'm not skipping any pages here. We move into the weekly layouts, and this is where you can keep track of what you're reading. So each section is a day, and you have a double page spread. Now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can use this as 1 week, or you can use it as, because you have 1, 2, 3 double page spreads. way, it looks like. Unless I'm miscounting. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So there's enough for 6 weeks. So you would use 1 week as a page. Then you have a little dot grid page. You have a monthly wrap-up. You can write down what books you've read. You can either write them there or on this gorgeous bookshelf at the beginning. Books acquired, the title of the book, author, and where you got it from, which is cool. And then you go right into the next month. Eat, sleep, and read. So true. And it goes the same as January did. Same format. March is go to the library. I'm just going to kind of flip through these here for you so you can see the pages of the months. April is relax and read. Very cute. May is what happens in book club stays in book club. Also very cute. June is I read past my bedtime, as I often do so many times. Let's see. This is a mid-year report with your goal check-in. Number of books read, number of pages read, book I was most disappointed by, book I need to pick up soon, and then your top 3 reads. That's really cool. July, read more books. Yes, please. August is unplug and read. Okay, we can do that. September, today is booked. Yes. October, shh, I'm reading. Love that. November, I'd rather be reading. Let's see. December, just 1 more chapter. It's so cute. I love how she puts little cute pages in this. Now this does not have tabs, as you've seen me flipping through. So you can either make your own, or I'm sure one of the snap-in bookmarks that you can get from either Erin Condren or various shops would fit in here, as well as an ollie clip. Whatever you want to use to stay put together. So after December, we have the goal assessment, and then we have the book awards here, it looks like the best cover, most inspiring, most likely to break your heart, most challenging read, most likely to recommend, most surprising. These are the books that are hung out to dry, the ones that either you hated or didn't finish. I try not to ever DNF a book, but when I do, hopefully it won't be more than 6. The standout stack, books on the big screen. So you have TVs on one side and movie films on the other with popcorn. Then you have a spot for favorite quotes, which is really awesome. You have a few pages of these. That's a lot of quotes. And then the mini book reviews. It's title, author, genre, rating, date started and finished, and then the thoughts. Very cute. So you have a few pages of these, and then you have some dot grid pages to take some notes. And then in the back you have a little pocket with a bookmark, and it looks like she said she made a spelling error in the monthly pages for the books acquired. So she included little stickers here. That is so cute. And this bookmark is absolutely adorable. And I love that there is a pocket back here. Very, very cute. So in terms of my opinion, my first impressions. This is very well made. The design is awesome. For an avid reader like myself, it pretty much includes everything that I would want to keep track of during the year, which is very cool. The colors are fun. The paper quality is great. The only thing I wish is that it had tabs, but that is easy to work around. That would be like my only criticism of this planner. So yeah, I mean, other than that, I think it's an awesome product. I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this in 2019 to keep track of my reading. Because I try to keep track of it in my planner, but I don't always do a good job. I don't always do a good job of writing reviews on Goodreads because I do have a Goodreads account, and you can find the link to that below in the description box. So yeah, I mean, I think this will help out tremendously, and it's a really fun way to keep track of what I'm reading for the year. And if you would like your own, I will link Monica's Etsy shop below. Go check her out. Not only are her stickers fantastic, but this is fantastic. And yes, I would definitely recommend this. So go out and pick one up today if you are an avid reader. Give me a thumbs up if you like planner and unboxing content on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, happy reading.